Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So, very good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Chief Guest of this inaugural session of Science Teachers Training Program, respected Professor Samunath Singh sir, members of his advisory committee, the registrar, the head department of education as well as head department of sociology, all staff members of CDOE, MMTTC, and the program coordinator, Dr. Bipul Sharma, along with all the participants. When I learned that the Science Teacher Training Program 2024 has to be organized by the Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center, I felt a wave of apprehension as the director in charge of the MMTTC. The prospect of organizing such a significant event within a limited time frame seemed difficult, but however, with the kind guidance and inspiration of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, who is a great source of motivation for me, the planning and execution of the program took its present shape. The members of the advisory committee offered their expert advice, which was instrumental in providing a clear direction for the program, and their collective experience and knowledge helped us identifying key focus areas and develop a comprehensive training schedule. So, in this 7-day journey of capacity building, you will be immersed in a rich learning experience designed to enhance your professional skills and knowledge. This comprehensive program focuses particularly on teaching science at secondary level with an emphasis on mathematics, physics, and chemistry, what we received from Samagra Shiksha. We will dig deep into these subjects, exploring both foundational concepts and cutting-edge developments that are shaping modern scientific understanding. As you might be aware that the program has been designed based on the weak areas identified by Samagra Shiksha during the Guru Dakshata initiative. This initiative operates on the belief that a student's learning outcomes are direct reflection of teacher effectiveness. Consequently, enhancing a student learning outcomes are linked to the capacity building of teachers. And by addressing these specific areas, we have aimed to create a targeted and effective training experience for all participants. Our approach began with a comprehensive analysis of the identified areas, which allowed us to tailor the program to meet the specific needs of our science teachers. Each component of the training has been carefully crafted to address these gaps, ensuring that the sessions are relevant, practical, and impactful. The program design emphasizes hands-on experiential learning, providing participants with opportunities to engage deeply with the content. The program not only will reinforce your understanding of scientific principles, but also will equip you with innovative teaching strategies that you can implement in your classrooms. By focusing on real-world applications and problem-solving skills, we aim to enhance the ability to convey complex scientific concepts in an accessible and engaging manner. Moreover, the training is structured to foster long-term professional development and believing that learning is a lifelong activity. You all have been registered on our integrated learning management system ILMS platform, so that utilizing that platform you may discuss, interact and learn with your peers, your mentors, your teachers, and all our respected resource persons. In addition to addressing immediate needs, our program is designed to promote a culture of lifelong learning. Ultimately, this carefully crafted program is more than just a short-term intervention. This is not only just short-term intervention that will end. Rather, it has been planned to keep in mind that it should be a long-term intervention and it will promote lifelong learning. We believe that by investing in the capacity building of teachers, we are laying the foundation for improved student outcomes and a stronger educational system. We are confident that by the end of this training, our science teachers will feel better equipped, more confident and ready to introduce their students to the world of science in innovative and effective ways. So, I request all the participants that by being an enthusiastic learner, kindly enjoy the learning experiences given to you with an open mind, satisfy your curiosity in consultation with our renowned resource persons, so that at the end of the training you can say proudly that you are now equipped with more skills of teaching science and ready to introduce your students the world of science, utilizing more innovative ways. Enjoy this opportunity to grow and learn, and let it empower you to become an even more dynamic and inspiring educator. So the representatives from Samagra Shiksha also are there with us, and these were included in the objectives they shared with us. So thanks a lot, and wish you all for a very happy, pleasurable learning during next 7 days. Thank you.